The neighbors. Evan gets the sniffles.
We now return to 101 Dalmatians. Watch Cassie Pets.
Gross. But cool. Uh-oh. It's Evan. Oh my goodness, Evan. You got the sniffles just like when you got the chicken pox. Right?
Yeah, I know. It's hard for me to get rid of the sniffles. Are you and my mommy and daddy get something to make me feel better?
Yes, of course. I'll be right back.
Oh. I hope I will be alright.
Hey mommy. What are you and Sarah doing?
We are about to make chicken soup for Evan. Want to help us?
Of course, chicken mother. Here we go now.
Yes, but Allison is still sleeping, so you have to play with them quietly, okay?
So fascinating, so wonderful. Here we see Bikini Bottom, the teeming planet, home of one of my favorite creatures, SpongeBob SquarePants. Yes, of course he lives in a planet you see.
Hey James, did you have fun playing Minecraft?
That's cool. Even my lawnmower can mow these long grasses ever. Ha ha ha.
Hey Evan. I brought you some chicken soup and medicine.
Wow. Thank you very much, Cassie. I will feel more better like a man who does the whale dance.
Come on, everybody, to the whales!
And a man who watches Seth MacFarlane's cavalcade of cartoon comedy.
You are right, Evan. But have these anyway and then you will get better tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, Cassie.
Wow, Evan. You're all better.
I know, right? Now I don't have the sniffles anymore. I am a healthy boy. And now we are going to... Huh?
You gonna be alright if I catch a couple cities now? Pretty sleepy.
Go ahead, bud. Don't worry about me. I'm feeling my pure incredible. I'm just gonna rest my eyes. Hey, look who's up.
Andy? Oh my god, Andy! Oh, are you okay?
What are our parents watching?
They are watching American Dad, Evan. But this is the best feeling better day ever in your life. The end.